I just picked this up today for one reason and one reason only. Would you like to know what that was? This little knob right here. This transpose knob is what just allowed me to play that Thanks Nobuo riff off of P5 in drop C as it should, rather than in drop D that my guitar is actually tuned to. This is just the default tone. What did I do? Did I do anything to it? Yeah, I added this overdrive in. That's all I did. Click that. That's all I did. Really great sound, especially for a default sound, and the presets are pretty wild too. Nolly kind of dialed a bunch of stuff in himself. There's a bunch of others. Neural DSP does their own thing. Chug ollie, clean ollie. Okay, I get it. I get what you're doing there. I see you, Neural DSP. And I see you with this transpose button too. All of the X plugins, I believe, have the new transpose button. And I gotta say, it's kind of a game changer in terms of quality and efficiency during guitar practice. Before, I would have to go over here, back this way, over this way, over there to grab my Schecter to play in drop C, because that's my drop C guitar. But now I don't have to. I can just take this and go bop, bop. 2 semitones is a whole tone. You're not messing with your strings. You're not sitting there tuning for longer than you have to. That's the time. Getting the whole guitar, the whole string tension system used to the new tuning is just a time suck. It takes time away from being able to just sit and play. And this transpose function sounds pretty good. Normally a transpose function like this, there'd be a lot more artifacts that really be able to hear. You're not getting a whole lot of that. In fact, the high end and the crispness of the tone is fairly well retained. Right? Let's do a quick little transposition test. So it's at 0. There's just the slightest bit of artifact that you can hear. Yeah, it's just a little bit. Definitely usable for practice and stuff like that, and even for demoing, I would say. But if you're really tracking seriously, or really recording seriously, I don't know if I would use this transpose function for that. But for a demo, just to get some ideas out there, absolutely. Let's take a look at some of these presets that Nolly gave us. There's these other artists, yeah, the Neural DSP, all that stuff. Yeah, but I'm really more interested in what Nolly, because these are his amps and his emulations of these amps, right? Let's take a look just down the line a little bit. I'll pick and choose a couple. Let's start with some all-purpose metal rhythm, just for anything that you would want to do. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that sounds great. I would use that in a heartbeat. Nolly knows guitar tone better than I do. That's one of the reasons why I'm such a huge fan of these newer, affordable guitar tones where you have all of these options. You can really do a bunch of stuff here. It's great. It sounds awesome. But I don't know better than any of these guys. And if these guys are saying that here's the sounds that I came up with that sound cool, I'm going to choose their judgment over my own at the moment, just because they're better than me. And I can use that to find my own tones in the future and learn from that. You know what I mean? So stand on the shoulders of the greats. Here's another one that I kind of really dug. This is Diggin' In. I really like this. It really reminded me of sort of that really compressed periphery tone you hear in some songs like The Way the News Goes, especially when you use the middle pickup here that I got here. Yeah, it just sounds great. It's very close to that tone. Not exact, but I really dig it. You can actually see here there's a straight up periphery style rhythm that he puts in because he's in the band. Really, really fun. It sounds like periphery. Good job, Nolly and Neural DSP. Then there's a bunch of these other ones that are great, like Shredder here, the solid. I'm just improvising over here, but listen to how good that sounds. It just looks so funky, and it's gonna sound so funky. Look at this. I got no notes. From this. Soaring trumpet, don't love that one. It's a little messy. It's a little messy. Solid. Solid. Really, really good. I would be stoked to use any of these. Tight metal rhythm. Oh, that is tight. Yeah, that's tight as fuck. Holy shit. The last one I want to talk about here is Engage the Curse. That one is apparently Nolly's recreation of the guitar tone from the Killswitch Engage album As Daylight Dies, which is also one of my favorite albums, so it was cool to know that we share that that love for that album and that band. And this is like the guitar tone like meant to like, invoke that. Of course, this would be in drop C, so we could just take a bop da bump pressure there, just go. Amazing. That is honestly just super cool. I can't get over that transpose function. So I was just playing a lot of riffs from my favorite bands, from Trivium, Periphery, Killswitch Engage. Being able to play at the level of your favorite artist takes a really serious mindset shift, but it also requires, understanding how practice works. And if you want to understand how practice works and how riffs work, you should check out my free training, How to Understand and Master Any Guitar Riff and Play at the Level of Your Favorite Artists. There's a link down in the doobly-doo and in the pinned comment. I highly recommend you go check that out if you were just like, I want to be able to play a little bit better. And you saw my playing and were like, you can play riffs that I can't, and I want to play those riffs. You should check that out. There's going to be an option to book a free lesson with me at the end of that training. You and I can get on Zoom face-to-face and actually, talk about whether or not we'd be a good fit, whether or not you'd like to work together. I still got some spots open, so act now. That's all I got for you. I just really wanted to share with you about this Nolly X new plugin from Neural DSP, the Archetype series. That transpose knob is such a game changer for me, and I think it's going to be a game changer for you as well. And it's super affordable and sounds incredible all on its it's amazing. This is going to get so much use out of it. I'm super stoked for this. So have a fantastic whatever time of day it is for you at the moment, and don't forget to be awesome. Peace out.